So I was like, I have this great idea. Let's cut my hair by someone who doesn't have the slightest experience. What could go wrong? I showed a picture of Peaky Blinders to my mom and was waiting on the
great success.
Now, well, it didn't go as planned. As you can see, I'm still happy and smiling. Said to my mom, make sure you go up from the bottom with the clippers and leave some inch of hair so you can adjust where needed. Well, no. She went full out, almost bald, and going from left to right. At this point, I already knew this wasn't going to end well. After about 10 minutes, I did my first check and my god, who was this guy in the mirror? Then I was like, okay, we can make this work. Just make sure you fade it in a little bit. But nah, no fade, just a straight cut? Hell yeah. So now I look like this. Well, from the front, it doesn't look all that bad, as you can see. Well, it's still bad, but it doesn't look that bad. But from the back, that's another story. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. I should have gone completely bald, but yeah. I'm not crying, I'm laughing, really. Oh my god. Yeah. Could have been worse. I don't know, maybe not. Yeah, it's pretty bad, I know. I look a bit like a cartoon character, or maybe someone who's going to steal all your money. Probably the last one. You know, like elder people, when you go walking, they're always like, hey, good morning, hello. And now they're like, oh no, they're crossing the road and going away from me. So I look a bit scary, but maybe that's not bad for me, because I don't normally look scary. Best thing about this, it's going to grow back anyway, and I'm still in quarantine for about 2 or 3 weeks or something like that. So that's probably going to get better. It's probably going to get better. Maybe I should do it a bit of a fade, but yeah, I'm just not going to touch it anymore, I think. So best tip I can give you when you try to shave your head, make sure you leave some room to improvement. Because my mom did on the shortest clipping stand, she was like, I'm going to cut everything off. So yeah, now we got that out of the way. Now you know why I look like a skinhead that's going to break your arm or something like that. And that's not who I am. This just failed a little bit, I think. I look a bit like Arthur Shelby from Peaky Blinders, but hey, at least you had a good laugh, so that's the most important thing. Right, if you enjoyed this beautiful haircut, let me know, and let me know if you would also do something like this. I don't really care about some hair, it's going to grow back anyways, so. But yeah, if you enjoyed, leave a like and sub below, and I hope I'll see you in my next video.